CBSE Mathematics Class 12th Exercise 13.4 Question number 14. The question number 14 states that a class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17, 19, 20, 16, 18, 20, 17, 16, 19 and 20 years. One student is selected in such a manner that each has the same chance of being chosen, and the age X of the selected student is recorded. What is the probability distribution of the random variable X, and find the mean, variance and standard deviation of X. So here you see I have prepared the age as X here 14 and its frequency is 2, 15, its frequency is 1, 16, frequency is 2, 17, frequency 3, 18, frequency 1, 19, frequency 2, 20, frequency 3, 21, frequency 1. So the probability of Px has been written 2 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15 and 1 by 15. Now x into px means x into probability of that concerned age, that will be equal to 28 by 15 here, 15 by 15, 32 by 15, 51 by 15, 18 by 15, 38 by 15, 60 by 15, 21 by 15. And if you add it, you will get here 263 divided by 15 and it will be equal to 17.53. Now the x square means x square is generally make the square of the 14, that will be equal to 196, 15 k square 225, 16 k square 256, 289, 324, 361, 400 and 441. Now the x square, x square into px, that will be equal to x square means this is the x square and px means this column will be multiplied with this and the result has been written here. It is 392 by 15, 225 by 15, 512 by 15, 867 by 15, 324 by 15, 722 by 15, 1200 by 15, 441 by 15 and summation of it will be equal to 4683 divided by 15. After solving you will get 312.20. Now in order to find the variance, sigma x square into px minus sigma x px का whole square, so 312.20 minus 17.53 का whole square, here it will be equal to 312.20 minus 307.30. After solving you will get 4.9. The standard deviation will be equal to the square root of this, that is 4.9, it will be equal to 2.21, and this will be the required answer. Now come to the question number 15. 15 states that in a meeting, 70% of the members favor and 30% oppose the certain proposal. A member is selected at random and we take x is equal to 0 if he opposed and x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. Find the expected value of x and the variance x. Here you see the proposal is, it is supported by 70% of the members and it is opposed by 30% of the members. One member is selected at random, so the x is equal to 0 if he opposed, x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. We have to work out the value of expectation of x, or mean you can say, and variance of the given x. Here you see the Px is equal to 0, so approximately P, that is the opposed. The probability of X is equal to 0 means the probability of opposed will be equal to 30 by 30%. It will be equal to 30 by 100. It will be equal to 0.3. P X is equal to 1 means the probability of favor, that is 70%. It is equal to 0.7. So here I have written the X is equal to 0 and 1. Probability of X, that is 0.3 and 0.7. The expected X means the mean. The summation of Xi into Pxi, this will be the formula. So 0 into 0.3 plus 1 into 0.7, that will be equal to 0.7. Variance X will be equal to E means expected value of X square minus E into X square means mean का whole square. That will be worked out here, the X square. That will be equal to summation of Xi का whole square Pxi. That will be equal to 0 का square into 0.3 plus 1 का square into 0.7. It will be equal to 0.7. Now substitute this value here. This will be the 0.7 minus 0.7 का whole square. 0.7 minus 0.49, it will be equal to 0.21, and this will be the required answer. Now come to the question number 16. We have to choose the correct answer of the given option from the given alternative, you could say. The question is, first question number 16. The mean of the number obtained on throwing a die having written 1 on 3 faces and 2 on the 2 faces and 5 on 1 faces. You see, there is one die on 3 faces, 1 has been written, on 2 faces, 2 has been written, and on 1 face, 5 is written. You see, 1 is written on 3 faces, 2 is written on 2 faces, 5 is written on 1 face. So let X be the random variable on a die. So the number X, that is 1, 2, 5. The faces on which 1 has been written, that is 3, 2, it has been written on 2 faces, 5 has been written on 1 face. So the total number of the faces will be equal to 6. The probability of X will be 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. 2 divided by 6, that is 1 by 3. And 1 divided by 6, that is 1 by 6. Now, the Ex, summation of Xi into Pxi will be equal to 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 5 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6, it will be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 6, that is 12 by 6. It will be equal to 2, and therefore the option B is the correct option of the question number 16. Now come to the question number 17. X is a number or for S obtained, the X is equal to, so here the 0, 1, 2. And the question is like this. Suppose that the 2 cards are drawn at random from a deck of cards. Let X be the number of S's obtained. Then the value of Ex is, the 3 and 4 options are given, that is A, that is 37 by 221, B, that is 5 by 13, C, 1 by 13, D, 2 by 13. Now you see the X, Px is equal to 0, means P, that is non-S card, that is 52 minus 4, that is 48. So the 48C2 will be equal to 1128. Total probability out of 52 cards, when 2 cards are selected, will be 52C2. That will be equal to, I have calculated it, the combination formula, that is 1326. So Px, probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to, probability of non-S card will be 1128 divided by 1326. It will be equal to 188 divided by 221. Here the Px, x is equal to 1. This implies that the 4C1 into 48C1, and it will be equal to 4 into 48, that will be equal to 192. Therefore, the probability of x is equal to 1 will be equal to 192 divided by 1326. This will be the probability. So the probability of x is equal to 2, that will be 4C2, that is 6 here. Therefore, the probability will be equal to 6 upon 1326. Total, you see, the total cards are 52, S is 4 and non-S is 48. Here the x is equal to 0, 1, 2, and Px means corresponding probability of the 0x will be equal to 1128 divided by 1326. 1, it will be 192 divided by 1326. 2, that is 6 divided by 1326. You see, the mean will be equal to summation of xi into pxi, that will be 0 into 1128 divided by 1326 plus 1 into 192 divided by 1326 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1326. Summation will be equal to, that is 192 plus 12 divided by 1326. It will be equal to 204 divided by 1326. After solving, we will get to 2 by 13, and hence the option D is the correct option. That's all.